Hello, my name is Jonathan Clark, and in this short video I'm going to introduce you to innovation games, game storming and other serious games. But we're going to start by thinking about innovation. Innovation, to my mind, is made up of three key elements. There's insight, ideas and impact. We need insight into the problem that we want to solve, or the context or the user that we want to build for. And we need ideas, of course. But we need these ideas to have real impact. In other words, something has to be done with these ideas. And ideally, we need fresh new insights that haven't been seen before, fresh new ideas, and brand new ways to implement them. Now, by definition, new means something we have never done or thought before. So how do you explore spaces that have never been explored before? How do we insert freshness and creativity into every part of the innovation process? Well, one way is to involve different people in our process. Another way is just simply to do things differently. It sounds easier than it actually is. But in fact, it turns out you need as much innovation and creativity in designing your innovation process as you do in developing the ideas. In fact, the more innovative your process is, the more you involve different people, the more you do things differently, the more chance you have of coming up with something really new. But it really is, as I just said, much harder than you might think. Humans, we have this strong temptation to stick with the processes we know and that have worked for us in the past. But we have to break that routine and get out of the familiar and dare to think differently. But how do we do that? Well, game dynamics is one way. It can make even tried and tested techniques seem fresh and exciting to the participants. The freshness helps them come up with new insights. Now, traditional market research techniques involve asking people questions in focus groups, for instance. The problem with this approach is that however good the moderator is, there's always an element of bias. Participants will tend to tell us the things they think we want to hear. But if we set up a session so the participants are questioning each other and talking to each other, and we just listen in, then you'll find that something magical happens and they start to talk in new ways that we've never heard before, and they share insights that we've never heard before. Now, collaboration is a very useful game dynamic for creative sessions. The more we can inspire participants to work together and collaborate, the more fun they will have, and the more fun they have, the higher